I get to hold the camera.
Feel special?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Good for you.
Stuff from there.
Judge.
Oh.
Alright, she's gonna sit here and make weird faces at the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, can't you walk to that island?
Yeah.
Oh, you can walk? What?
Yeah, you can walk to it. It's not deep enough. See the island?
That's an adventure.
You can walk to it. I want to do it during the summer, but I'm scared like a crocodile's gonna come up and beat my butt.
Yeah, I'm like,
It's gonna,
there's
like-
crocodiles here.
There are. Yeah. Oh, that was in South Dakota. Remember the time we went to that
Yeah.
reptile house? I'm like, never
Yeah,
mind.
that
That
was
was
in
South
South
Dakota.
That thing was ginormous.
I'm gonna get a cup of coffee.
Can I go in with you?
No.
Why?
Because you're gonna want something.
I won't. I pinky promise.
Yes,
No.
she will. Don't
I
lie.
pinky promise. Is that gonna come back into us?
Yo! That's rude.
I can't go into the gas station.
That's just wow.
Our dogs. Going in.
Molly, no.
Lock the car. It's cold. You got dumbos. Oh!
The door, otherwise you How was the gas station trip?
I was dancing. I was like,
Cough.
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 Mwah.
Oh.
I'm gonna bite your foot.
Oh, God.
Get back there.
Oh, so.
Ow.
I have a flicking problem.
Yeah, she does. Ginormous flipping problem.
Flicking problem.
Oh.
She's got a flicking problem. Get it.
You guys support baby cancer.
I support boob cancer. I got a hat. And we're going to the Rainforest Cafe. Look at it. It's really cool. They have really good food. You know what I want to eat? Hi! Look at the fish! They have a different kind of food than maybe yours.
You have to give it to them. Molly.
These are silverback gorillas. The animals tend to get excited when you guys walk around. I think they're taking a little nap right now. He's excited. There we go.
They have a zebra! Jory, we get to sit by the
They'll
elephant.
be sitting right over here.
I want to sit by the tree. Jory, come sit with me. Oh, there's rain. I want a little crown. You know what? I'm getting the crown.
I got a new head, Dad.
There
Are
you
you recording?
go. Yeah.
What are you getting, Tom? What do you
Our
want to
waiter's
drink?
cool.
I don't even know how to open this thing.
Oh, here, bud. It's on the back. There you go.
Let me just.
See? And then they get all crazy.
I like this.
On article. What is it? Spinach and
I love the night sky. Jory,
Chips with it? Yep.
look at the night sky.
We'll have that. What are you getting to drink?
No, it's not.
Negro, please.
Mine's back.
I got a hat. I had these.
I got a better hat.
You know what?
I got a hat too.
From here, ain't it?
Mine's better than all.
All the scars we share.